Hello guys, Mar here. In this video, I'm going to show you how to manage your subscriptions on Gmail so you can reduce the number of emails that you get every day. If this helps, don't forget to like the video and subscribe to the channel. So the first thing we're going to do is open up our Gmail account, and right here on the left, right under purchases, you're going to click on more. Then right here, you're going to see this new feature where it says manage subscriptions. And right here, you're going to see all your subscriptions. Maybe you gave your email to a store or to somebody that sells a product or a service and you're tired of receiving their email. You're also going to be able to see how many emails you have received from them recently. So you can start simply unsubscribing from the ones that you don't want to receive anymore. For example, I do not wish to get more notifications from Linktree, so I'm going to take it off. Also Instagram, I feel like it's unnecessary. And then the ones that I do want to keep, I'll just simply leave it there and refresh my screen. And that's it, guys. That's a great way to reduce the number of spam emails that you get. I hope the video helped. Don't forget to subscribe to the channel, and I'll see you in the next one.